How to open or create ChatGPT account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create ChatGPT account without phone number. In order to do this procedure, first of all, open up a web browser. After that, on the web address bar, type in the link that is openai.com. After you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site. Once you're on this page, click on the sign up button located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now you'll begin with the registration process. So to begin with, you'll be able to create an account through email address, or you can either continue with your Google account, continue with your Microsoft account, or whatever information that you wish to provide. So I'm gonna go with continue with email since I want to continue it with my email. So just tap on the email address. Now you'll need to tell about yourself. That includes entering your name and then a date of birth and the organizational name, if any. Unfortunately, there's no such way to create a ChatGPT account without a phone number. So you'll need to enter in a phone number. So what you can do is just enter in your phone number, and after that, after creating your account, you can just simply remove it. So right now, enter in the code in order to verify your phone number. Now a verification code will be sent through an SMS. You need to enter in right over here. So as you can see that the account has been created. So that is how you can create a ChatGPT account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.